Our sole purpose at MOS University is to prepare you to get your MOS certification at the first attempt. My name is Dave Murphy. I'm a university lecturer and a MOS Master. And myself and my colleagues have been preparing many hundreds of students for MOS certification exams for many years. We know what's required, we understand the structure of the exams, and we know the best way for you to prepare to succeed first time. Don't waste your exam fees. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and prepare to get your MOS certification at the first attempt. I look forward to seeing you inside.